As you can see, I had a breakout to go work out now. I'm gonna be sunscreen as SPF 50, I believe. Oh god. Good morning. It's, you know what, I think I'm gonna turn off the lights better. Good morning, everyone. So currently it's like 6:30 in the morning. I feel really groggy, but I will be getting back into work soon. I do have online class later, so I'm just gonna be attending that. I do have some assignments to do today, but it's not too much. There's one that will need some craftment, whatever. It's due midnight anyway, so I'm not really worried. Today we're gonna be just doing some more work as per usual, but I will be also showing you guys what my workout routine is and my skincare routine. I'll be washing my face first, and then I will be just going on throughout the day. So yeah, anyway, hello, it's me from this frame again. But anyway, for one thing I realized from this glow up challenge, is that not really more of a glow up, but it's more like a lifestyle change. Because I noticed I'm starting to really change a lot of things that I do in my life. So for example, I strictly wash my face in the morning. Because sometimes before I would just go throughout the day without washing my face because I'm too lazy to. But now I'm like, I have to do it because, you know, I have to. Also, an update on this pimple here. It's still there. It's drying up now. Ow, wait, heartburn. It's still there, but it's a lot drier now, I noticed. I have one pimple here that's like kind of itching. I don't know why. I think it's inflamed. So I actually put on a mask last night. It was really relaxing. It's like a Kika mask, I believe, from CosRX. It's a free one that I got from Shopee. Anyway, I might be buying more masks. It's really nice to wear facial masks. It's really nice to get a facial, you know. But anyway, my bed's really messy, and I'm gonna have class soon, so I'm just going to be doing that. And then yeah, just pretty much a normal day. Work as usual. Bye. I really don't know how to talk about the camera.
People in therapy are often there to deal with people in their lives who won't go to therapy. I have a job, it's actually quite fulfilling. Though my hairline is thinning, I barely do anything else. I read self-help.
Everyone, so currently I'm working on the university page and I'm coding for some automations and shit. And oh my gosh, I don't know what it is about coding, or I don't know why, but this sort of problem solving thing you have to do with coding is just so satisfying. Because I don't know, wait, let me just show you guys real quick. So currently I'm making this notification center, and basically in this tracker you have a bunch of subjects with revisions, right? Let's say with this let's say with this subject you revised this a long time ago. Let's say you revised this like 14 days ago. So it says 14 days ago. I automated that. Then I'm trying to code. It will show you in your notification center that oh, this is the subject that you have been taking for a long time. And I've been coding this for like the past 20 minutes, and I know it's probably like a very easy code for veterans, but for me it's really cool. So this is kind of the formula I've been working on and all that shit. So yeah, it's really fun. So for example, let's just go back to, let's say in my other subject, I reviewed that, like, let's say I reviewed that 2 months ago. So it says it's 76 days. If you go back automatically to the notification center, there we go. It automatically says it's been 76 days since you revised GenFit. So very cool. I'm really having fun with this coding thing. I will be posting this university template soon, although I don't know when exactly. And the problem is a lot of the features here require automation, which is a sort of premium feature on Notion. So I don't know if I'm going to be putting this because I don't know if it's available for the free plan or if people can use automation in free plan. Hey everyone, this is Future Kai editing this video, and yes, I did find out that you can use the premium Notions in your free account if you duplicate this template. So the features like automation, you guys can still use it. It will not break or anything.
template will totally work fine on your account if it's free. So I guess it was totally worth it for me to personally buy the features so that you guys can have automation or these premium features on the template. Anyway, back to the video.
Why am I in med school? So it's really fun. I've been coding this for the past few minutes now, just so that the tracker looks so much better, so that the notification center would look good. But yeah, by the time you're watching this, hopefully the university tracker is available. You can check it down in the link below. Hopefully future sets would put that there. Yep, I can confirm that it is now live. You can check it out in the link description. The template is out there. Nice, go check it out. By the way, I'm editing this without any power, so Pascal, you better freaking thank me for this. Anyway, sorry to interrupt, back to the vlog. But anyway, I've been working on this for the afternoon. Turns out we didn't have class. The teacher was like, you know what, just here's a recorded lecture. Yeah, wow, online class sucks. But anyway, I will be working on this for the next hour or so. I do have some assignments that are due today, but I will be working out after working on this, and then I will study. So yeah, very busy day. All right, see you guys. Okay, so I just finished, not really finished, but I think I've made good progress with, where's my glasses? Doing the Notion template. I'm not sure if I'm finished. I'm just gonna polish it later, but currently it's 3 p.m. right now, 3 p.m. o'clock. Currently it's 3 p.m. so I'm gonna go work out now. I'm gonna be taking my creatine downstairs and I'm gonna be doing some sets today. Wait, let me check what exercise I'll be doing today. If you guys don't know, I use the app Heavy. It's not sponsored, by the way, but I keep mentioning that in my videos. But yeah, it's not sponsored, but I do I do love this app. This is a very nice tracker. Today I'm going to be doing my chest. Yeah. Ooh, chest today. Let's go, chest day. So yeah, I will be working out and then I will be going back to work. Yeah, pretty chill day at home. Yeah. This thing tastes really bad. I hate it. Okay, so this is my creatine and this is what I really take for my workouts. Yeah, there's some marshmallow there because it's really humid, so it absorbs the moisture. So what I do is I grab 1 spoon of creatine and I just eat it like straight out of the box, right? It tastes like plastic, it tastes like shit. So what I do to combat that is like after I ingest it, I take 1 spoon of milk powder or whatever powder that exists in my house. But yeah, I take that as well and then I take a sip of water so that it will combat the taste. And I've been doing this for like a while now. So yeah, creatine. Like I'm gonna go work out now. Okay, hello, we're currently at the gym right now. Don't mind the figurines at the back. These are my old toys or my old figurines when I was young, and we are currently cleaning up the house, so we didn't know really where to put them, so we just put them here on the gym. Yeah, you can see my dumbbells are below, but anyway. Today we're gonna be doing chests, and I'm probably gonna do like 4 sets of 12, and I'm probably going to do them with my 30-pound dumbbells. So yeah, I'm gonna try and finish this as soon as possible because I noticed I take way too long in the gym, like 1 hour, and I kind of wanted to lower it down to like maybe 30 minutes or something like that. So yeah. Anyway, workout time, baby. I'm done with my workout. I just did a bunch of chest workouts, some dumbbell rows, I believe. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shower, do my skincare, and yeah, afternoon, maybe, oh yeah, I have assignments to do.
Okay, I'm sorry to interrupt this video, but this part of the video is sponsored by UGREEN. Sorry guys, but I'm a desperate sellout. Okay, but for real though, this is the UGREEN Uno charger, or chargers. And my gosh, they're really so cute. If you guys don't know what you're looking at, these are UGREEN's new robot GAN chargers, ranging from 3 watts to 60 watts fast charging chargers. That's a lot of chargers in one sentence. It's 3 ports, USB-A port and 2 USB-C ports, but if you want to go mini, there's a mini version as well. Unlike normal traditional chargers, these are compact, cute robot-themed chargers that you can use for your various devices. And it even has various technologies to make sure that your devices are safely charging. But what makes this really special is just it's so freaking cute. When you plug in this thing to the wall, the face lights up, which just... What's cool about this is that once you're done charging with your device, the LED face will change. You can go check out their chargers in the link description. Personally, I've been using the black one and it's been really cute. It really declutters my space. And yeah, thank you again for UGREEN for feeding me for another week. Back to the video.
Hello. So now that I finished the first part of my exam, I want to buy new skincare. As you can see, I had a breakout. Otherwise, my skin's getting much better. It's just that I had this breakout, which is really annoying. But I mean, we have breakouts every all the time, so I'm not really bothered by it. But anyway, so my moisturizer is actually, you know what? Let me get my skincare. Like, I'm gonna get all of them. Okay, maybe. Oh god, that's a lot. So mainly in the morning, I would run this one. This is I would run this. This is the ordinary ascorbic acid. My friend recommended this to me. I don't know if I can tell the difference, but I just decided to put them because why not? And then either that or I put this one. This is the niacinamide, the ordinary serum. I've been using it for a long time. I also can't tell if it's doing a difference, but whatever, it's fine. After that, I put in the hyaluronic acid by the ordinary. This one's more like a cherry on top. It just sort of supplies your skin with hyaluronic acid because your skin, if I'm correct, it naturally generates hyaluronic acid. And then I put on this. This is the COSRX. This is COSRX snail mucin. I don't know how to pronounce mucin, whatever. This is really good. It really makes my skin like glassy, and it also makes your skin moisturized, which is pretty cool. And then finally, but after that, I put this. This is a CeraVe moisturizer. This is kind of what I've been using for the last year. It's like a big ass tub. I think I've been using this for 2 years. I don't know, but anyway. I've been using this a lot now, more often, and it's been really good. But I am trying to look for alternative because I just want to explore different skin products. Anyway, after that, I then use this one. This is the Aloe Vera COSRX Sun Sunscreen SPF 50, I believe. It's pretty nice. It's very thin. It's not too thick of a sunscreen, so I just use that. But yeah. And then for my night routine, I generally use retinol from The Ordinary. So let me just put this in the camera. I use this first. But oh my god, there's way too many products. But then if I'm exfoliating my face, I would either use the retinol. I will not use the retinol and I'll instead use this. This is the AHA7 Whitehead Choo Choo Power Liquid, whatever. So I use that, and then I use the hyaluronic acid after, and then I put the snail mucin after, and then I put moisturizer. It looks complicated. I know it looks complicated, but trust me, it's much simple than normal. The thing is, you just need to purchase a lot of skincare. But the thing is, I am looking for a new skincare, and I've been eyeing on a few moisturizers that's been on my eye lately. So in terms of CeraVe, I do have like, I would say I have like 10% left. So I am in the market for a new moisturizer, and the ones that been caught my eye is the La Roche. I don't know how to call it. La Roche-Posay Kika Blast Balm. Apparently this is kind of like the holy grail of moisturizers. I did read that a lot of people have been getting breakouts with CeraVe, although I don't normally get breakouts with CeraVe because my skin's relatively dry. So you know what, I'm gonna record my screen just because why not? Coconut. Okay, wait. Wow, this reminds me of when I used to stream, guys. Do you guys remember that? So there's this one video I watched. Her skin looks very moist, and I kind of want to achieve that kind of moist skin. She did mention the products here, so let's check.
The first product is from Astra, the cream mist and the moisturizer. This moisturizer has been my favorite for a while, which I mentioned.
Astra mist. So there's a ooh, it's from Korea. Shit. The problem with my skin is that after like putting skincare, I have no problem. My skin's very moisturized, but throughout the day it just ends up getting dry again. I don't know, dry, but then sometimes my pimples or whatever would start itching and they would start irritating, and I don't know how to deal with that. So I just like, so what I do is I put more moisturizer thinking it will help, but it did not. So I'm trying to look for like a solution where it's like I can just spray it on again and then my skin will be normal again. Something like that. Anyway. Okay, this La Roche-Posay. Posay? Kikaplast Balm. So yeah, so let's just search La Roche-Posay moisturizer. It's even there already. Why? 40 ml is... what the fuck? Payment successful. I think they will arrive far in the future, so I will be updating you guys on this glow up thing. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. More glow up videos. Yay. Okay, but I'm actually gonna take this glow up thing seriously. Alright, don't forget to drink water. Bye.